another video. You're watching Bones on the Chair with me, Garish Manchali. We are going to talk about J7 series, one variant that is J7 Prime out here. Just talking about J7 Prime, we can say that it was quite a different version out here. Yes, definitely a different version. Having a different structurality, design, everything was quite different out here. So talking about J7 Prime, we can say that it has got really a good functionality. And let us compare it with J7's other designs like J7 2015 variant and 2016 variant also. Talking about the release date of this variant, we can say that this was released out back then in 2016. So we have to see how is it different from J7 2016 variant especially. That is something we all would love to know about. And when we talk about this variant, when we talk about Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime out here, we can say that J7 Prime was a light-weighted version. Yes, this was a light-weighted version out here as compared to the 2016 variant and 2017 variant. Yes, the central part is the Prime, and this one is the 2016 variant, and this is 2015 variant out here. And the Prime variant was the most lightest as compared to J7 series out here. It weighs less than 170 grams. Yes, it weighs less than 170 grams out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can see that this variant offers you n number of specifications which are quite different from other. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about J7 Prime, we can say it has got aluminium design along with Gorilla Glass protection. Yes, you get to have Gorilla Glass protection along with aluminium framework, aluminium back out here. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a number of specifications and number of things about like being less than 170 grams. Yes, it has weight less than 170 grams, but still it uses Gorilla Glass protection. So that is something users really wanted to know, and that's one thing. It has grabbed all the audience to it. Whereas talking about this variant, we can say that this variant 2016 and 15 variant also had SIM technology that was single and dual SIM. So all the three variants have single SIM technology and a dual SIM technology. So two different variants we see now. But one thing which didn't go well with the audience was the touchscreen used in it. Yes. If we talk about J7 series, not the Prime, only 2016 and 2015 variant, you will get to see that they have used Super Almond captured touchscreen. Yes, Super Almond captured touchscreen could be used out. But this uses TFT captive touchscreening, that to PLS captive touchscreening. So this didn't go well with the audience as Super Almond was a much better variant and is used today itself. Screen size remained common out here. Screen size did not change out here. 5.5-inch screen size was seen out with resolution of 401 ppi, so that remained constant out here. Working with Android 6 and upgradable up to Android 9 was the best part it had. No matter display was not very good. TFT screening was there, TFT captive touch screening, that to PLS captive screening, but having an inbuilt Android of an upgradable 9 was the best part out here. Best part, we can say in 2015 and 16 variant we have seen upgradable Android, but they were till maximum was 8, and in 2016 if you find upgradable Android 9, that is the best part out here. Globally, it is Innisco variant out here. Yes, globally it's just Innisco variant. No Snapdragon variant will be seen out here. As well as octa-core 1.6 GHz processor will be seen out there. That is something we have to, except that this is something which is quite similar to 2016 variant. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you expandability, but there is definitely some work on the storage capacity. Earlier we used to see only 16 GB storage capacity, but now in this variant we have two different variants, 16 GB and 32 GB storage capacity. So these two variants will be seen now. So that's the amazing part of this variation. Offering you 3 GB RAM is one of the most amazing function and the most attractive part which has grabbed the audience. offering a good RAM plays a very vital role along with the battery too. So when you have a good battery life, good RAM, good storage, that plays a very vital role. Offering you 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera goes well with the audience as it has really good capturing capacity and audio capacity. Everything goes really well out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out here, we can say that this variant offers you really good kind of specifications, good kind of technology, good kind of overall functionality. If we talk about overall designing of this variant is definitely worth it. Offering you good Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, radio connectivity as it has 3.5 jack, so recording is also possible. Good loudspeaker out there, so voice recognition is very good out here. USB 2 type charging can be seen out with fingerprint sensation, accelerometer, proximeter, ANT plus. So if you have a good sensors, that plays a very vital role in any touch phone. Apart from that, if we talk about the battery life, then it's slightly low as compared to J7 2016 variant. Offering you 3300 mAh battery only. Yes, 2016 variant also had 33 mAh battery. But this offers you 21 hours talk time. Yes, this offers you 21 hours talk time as compared to the 2016 variant. If we talk, then that offered you 23 hours talk time and it's offering 21 hours talk time. So that's a slight difference out here. But since it has an upgradable Android 9 and a good variety of internal processors out here, so this can be adjusted out. Now talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you n number of pricing on n number of sites, and one such site is available with us. And the site name is phoneZone.ae. Yes, on Google you have to type phoneZone.ae or you can go in the description box. Apart from Samsung, it offers you n number of brands out here, and this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. So I have written J7 Prime, so Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. You can type the entire name also, and if you know the specified version, so you can type that. So now moving on, this is the result out here which we see. It has got all the specifications written out here, all the things have been mentioned. And there's a condition written on the top, that is refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition and see how is it different from other, so that we come to know about refurbished products. Talking about refurbished products or brand new products, we can say that refurbished products are quite same or quite similar as a brand new. As the word itself says that refurbished means creating something new like this. Refurbished means creating something new like, and that can be seen out here in this word itself, that furbished is new like and re means again. So something new like again we can say. Or we can also say that refurbished and brand new are very correlated out here. They are correlated. How they are correlated? They have the same structurality, functionalities, as well as they have the same criteria of tests. Yeah. It clearly means मतलब जो brand new के लिए हम test include करते हैं, वही test हम refurbished के लिए भी include करते हैं. Overall, we can say that this is one of the feature which is same as brand new and refurbished. Moving on, we can tell that refurbished and brand new crosses the same path but with slight difference. And the difference lies out as this is the major pathway out here, and this is how the difference lies. There is a base. We all have a base. Base can be anything out here, anything. It can be either your company user, anything, but base is originally the one which gives you a great amount of, you can say, structurality out there, or the base is something which helps you to know where that product has been originated out. Then comes the mediator, and the mediator is something which helps you to know about the place where it is being collaborated. मतलब base हो गया हमारा original place, अब उसके बाद कहाँ से हम इसे collect कर सकते हैं, from where we can collaborate with it or we can collect it. That is the mediator out here. And then comes the consumer. Consumers are like us or the company, anything who uses that gadget, that product out here. So that is the consumer out here. So talking about these three parameters, the brand new or the refurbished ones have a very slight difference. Base in brand new is the company, the original company out here which launches that product, that gadget in the market for the very first time. For the very first time, it is being launched out there. And then the marketplace is the mediator. They launch into the market, then the marketplace has a lot of distributors out there. There are n number of distributors, n number of parameters out there. How it is going, there's n number of there's a big chain out there. So in short, we can say that marketplace is a mediator out there. Then comes the consumer, which are the users like us. We use that market product out there, that gadget from the company to the marketplace which has been launched. We use that. Whereas when we talk about refurbished, then this chain is slightly different. The difference lies out that the user in the brand new, the user of a brand new car, the consumer becomes the base out here. Yes, the user becomes the base out here, and that gadget is pre-owned, that has been used once, that has that could be considered not like brand new, but brand new like that could be like brand new, but not brand new. So then it is again sent back to the mediator. There can be another different. This is a different marketplace now. This marketplace uses the pre-owned phones. These tests are done on a particular site out here, on a particular page, or we can say at a particular place. All the tests are being done. जो टेस्ट ब्रांड न्यू के लिए अलग अलग जगह पे होते थे, the test which used to be done in number of sites, they are done at a particular site itself, or where the product has been given back or is exchanged out here. So that is the market. Now the tests have been done. Now it has been verified. It is ready to relaunch itself on that site with a new condition that is refurbished. So the new consumer is the new user who gets this gadget out there. So जो gadget मिला है वो use करता है. This is what refurbished is all about. Now talking about refurbished, we can say that refurbished and brand new process the same parameters. Like they have the same parameters which are in the external or internal factors. If we talk about the internal factors, there are like the operating system, processor out here, SIM recognition, data connectivity, data wiping, colorization out here. You can have your internal parts like CPU, GPU, NFS, infrared, code accelerometer, gyrometer, compass, everything which has been inbuilt in it, all the inbuilt processors out there. Whereas the external parameters includes the parameters which we see through our eyes or can be easily checked out, like these display, buttons, camera, audio, video, battery life, battery charger out here, scratches, color out there of the gadget or the design, the display, everything out there. जो हम आंखों से देख सकते हैं, all the external factors. Now these external and internal factors combines to have 29 parameters overall, big 29 parameters. They might have some parameters out there, check each and everything. Now when they have been checked, these are the same factors which we use in the brand new and in the refurbished. They are absolutely same. For brand new, what all we check? The specifications like what is the screen size, how is the display, how is the color of it, camera कैसा है, audio is good or not, whether the SIM is good or not, the SIM can be used out here or not, battery life, the battery is charging or not, camera quality, audio quality, connectivity is out here, everything is same what we check in brand. Now when we are done with this checking, this testing out there, then gadget is given a certificate that has a quality check, that is premium quality and is good to service out there, and then it is certified and named as refurbished or certified refurbished. Anything, both the names are same, they both stand for the same certification. Then we can say that these are absolutely ready to go further use, and the consumer can now have this on the particular site they have tested out. Now moving on, what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new? Let us move ahead with that. Because there are few benefits which you get from refurbished products, like having your favorite gadget in a pocketable range. Yes, why we say so pocketable range? Generally, brand new products are quite expensive for most of the users and are not able to afford them. So the refurbished products, which are actually pre-owned ones, can be reused out here with the same condition which are being tested out are absolutely newly like, but now they are in a profitable rate. Now they are in profitable rates. So these profitable rates allow you to have a savings. Yes, you get to have a saving also, and when we have savings, we can say that saving is great amount of like savings plays a very important and vital role. We already know that brand new products have a warranty period, warranty life of 1 year, but we offer you refurbished products with 6 months warranty. Yes. Refurbished products usually have 6 months warranty out here, and you get to have that over here. As well as when we talk about refurbished products, you get to have 7 exchange policy. The 7 exchange policy is also here, so you can get your favorite product with 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. Because if you do not find your product worth it and have not been checked, not verified out here, so you get to have exchange policy also. So let us go ahead and back to the site where we were talking about and see how is it different from other and whether it offers the same thing or not. So we are back on the site, and as we already know, the site name is Phone Zone. Phone Zone itself means it's a zone of phone or a place where abundance of phone can be seen out here. And talking about this variant, we can say that this is a category all mobile phone which offers you n number of brands out here. As well as we were talking about refurbished products, so we can see that this offers you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy also. So you can guarantee that refurbished products have a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. Along with that, you get to have COD and free shipping written over here. So you get to have free shipping and COD. Free shipping is like 48 hours delivery time for most parts of UAE, and within Saudi, it might take up to a week. Yes, it might take up to a week, but most of the parts of UAE have 48 hours delivery time. For best pricing, visit out the website which has on the Google you can type phonezone.ae, or you can go on the description link and check out that. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.